Hey loves, my name is Winnie Jean. Welcome to my channel if you're new here, and if you're returning, hey girl, how you doing? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I install a straight wig, and this is my hair. Just kidding. This is a 24-inch V-part wig I was sent by Nadula. They are sponsoring today's video, and I'm going to show you guys how I got this amazing blend with minimal leave out, and it's giving scalp. Okay, it's giving very natural. No one's gonna clock me. Okay, who's gonna check me, boo? Okay, so without further ado, if you guys want to see how I got this look, then go ahead and keep watching. Today's video is sponsored by Nadula. They sent me over this kinky curly V-part unit. All of the details will be down below in the description bar, so you guys can go ahead and pick it up. I'll also have a link in any coupon codes, but I really like the wig so far, and this is how it came right out of the box. First things first, before I even wash it, I'm going in and I'm giving it a nice little curly cut, just so that when we actually do define the curls, we don't have to worry about cutting it later and making it all frizzy. So I'm showing you guys the order in which I would do this if I was doing it on myself, to get the best results in the shortest amount of time and, you know, give it a little pizzazz. Long story short, I like to get as much work done as possible on my mannequin head because it's a lot easier. I can see everything. And once it's time to install, most of the hard work is already done. So first I went in with my scissors to clean up the bottom, and then I used my razor comb to add some layers. And once I'm done with the cut, I went ahead and wet all of the hair down so I can start to put the product in it and define the curls. But first, I'm parting out a really thin sliver right around the part of the hair, and this is what we're going to use to blend our hair later. Just trust me and pull out a couple of hairs around the part, and now we can go ahead and get into the actual defining of the curls in the back. I'm putting a little bit of Nairobi foaming mousse in the hair while it's damp, just to kind of get the curls to get nice and defined. And I'm using a little dimming brush as well. I like to go through and add the product in sections. Again, it's just a lot easier for me to do on a mannequin head because I can make sure I'm not missing any spots. And we don't want any bushy spots on our kinky curly wig. We want everything nice and defined. So once I have that done, I put the wig under my blow dryer and let that go ahead and dry under some cool air while we work on prepping my natural hair. I went ahead and sectioned out a small V portion to leave out of the wig, and I'm going to go ahead and twist that out of the way so we can try the wig on and make sure that everything is sitting right before I braid the rest of my hair. I like to braid my hair up along the sides and the back and then leave out the top portion of my hair so I can kind of switch it up for V parts and U parts and have a lot of styling options without having to re-braid my entire head every time I want to switch up my hair, because I switch up my hair quite a lot and that would just be entirely too much. So using this braiding pattern with a lot of versatility works really well for me. I'll go ahead and link the video here where I'll show you guys how to do it on yourselves. But in the meantime, in between time, I'm just plaiting all of the additional hair that I won't be needing to leave out, and I'm tucking it in the back some type of way just to get it as flat as possible before we actually go ahead and clip our wig on to stay. This time, now that we have our braided base together, somewhat, child, it's slapped together, we can go ahead and clip her on. And I'm taking out my edges. I had them in like a little twist just to make sure that everything was blending with the curl pattern of the hair. And now we can get into this blend. So I went ahead and parted my hair down the middle of that section, and I untwisted that section that we kind of separated out earlier. I'm applying a little bit more of that Nairobi foaming mousse to blend those sections together, and then I'm separating it into smaller sections and doing pretty much a twist out. But in each twist, I'm blending my natural hair with a little bit of the extensions, and this is going to perfect our blend. If I just went ahead and twisted my hair and when I took it down it was just sitting on top of the extensions, it wouldn't give what it's about to give when we're finished. So I have about 5 twists in my hair at the top, 2 on either side and 1 in the back, and I'm going in with my diffuser on a mix of warm and cool air back and forth until the twists are dry. And then I'm just gonna take those twists down, fluff it out, and this is the basics of our blend. It looks good, it's given, but we're gonna just polish it up a little bit with some edge control. I'm gonna slick my edges down, define the part a little bit, and kind of slick everything going back. Just polish everything up for the most part. A little bit of edge control with a curly wig goes a long way. So far, we literally only used foaming lotion and edge control, and very minimal heat, to be honest. So I think this is a great protective style for the summertime, and just look at that blend. All right, so this is the finished look with a little bit of extra baby hair. It's giving scalp. It's giving, this is my hair, don't ask any questions, okay? I love the way that everything is blending. It looks so good, and I even love how much volume there is in the root. You're not gonna be all up in the part, but if you get all up in the part, then baby, so be it, because it's laid. It just looks like, it looks scrumptious. Something about these curly wigs with a little bit of layering in them just adds something, because typically somebody with long curly hair is gonna wanna have some shape to it. No matter the texture, shape is so important. And with a little round face like mine, honestly, layers just kind of bring it to life, and really, like, I don't know, it just makes it look a lot more natural, because I can't put my finger on it, but it's doing something. I hope you got some tips and tricks on how to blend your hair with your V-part wigs, and I'm about to go and hit these streets because I'm looking a little too good to be sitting, okay, right here talking to y'all all day. No offense, I love y'all, love you, but I gotta go outside. Thank you again to Nadula for working with me. All of the information about this wig will be down below in the description bar, so don't forget to go ahead and check that out. Pick her up, honey. Send me pics on Instagram if you guys end up trying this style, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, babes.